Assalamualaikum students, welcome to your mathematics class. This is the second lecture of exercise 2.3 and in this lecture we will cover question number 2, both its parts. Question number 2 states, find the value of k if. We have to find the value of k in both the parts of question number 1. So the first part states, sum of the roots of the equation 2kx square minus 3x plus 4k is equals to 0 is twice the product of the root. Now the question is in the statement form and we have to change that statement in the mathematical form. In the whole exercise 2.3, the first two steps will remain the same. The first step would be to find the sum of the roots and the second step would be to find the product of the root. And after finding these two things, we will further apply some methods in order to solve the whole question. So first of all, taking the equation, I will find the sum and product of the root. The coefficient with x square is 2x, so that will be a. The coefficient with x is minus 3, that will be b. And the constant term is 4k, which will denote c. Same solution as explained in the first lecture. A is equals to 2k, b is equals to minus 3, and c is equals to 4k. Let alpha, beta be the roots of the equation. Then the sum of the roots is alpha plus beta. The formula is minus b over a. Putting the values of b, that is minus 3, and a is 2k. Minus minus will become plus, and the answer of sum of the root will be 3 by 2k. Now in the next step, we have to find the product of the root. The product of the root, that is alpha beta, and the formula is c over a. Putting the value of c, which is 4k, and the value of a, which is 2k, cancelling 4k by 2k because the cancellation is possible as both the digits are multiplying with each other in the numerator and as well as in the denominator. So as the digits are multiplying with each other, we can do the cancellation. 4 can be get cancelled with 2, so the answer will be 2, and k will be cancelled with k, so nothing remains. So the answer of product of the root is 2. Now after finding the sum and the product of the root, we have to come to the equation, what is given to us. Now leave that part of the equation because we have solved it. Sum of the roots of the equation. It means sum of the roots of the equation means alpha plus beta, or we can simply write S is. Is always, as I told you, leave that part of the equation. So after sum of the roots of the equation, which is denoted by S, is will be denoted by the sign of is equal. Twice means 2 times. The product of the root is P. If I denote sum with S and product with P, the equation will be sum of the roots of the equation, that is S, is, that is equals to, twice, that is 2 times means 2, and multiply product of the root, that is P. So the equation will become S is equals to 2P. Putting the values of the equation, what we will get? What is the answer of S? That is sum of the root, which is 3 by 2k, and equals to 2 will remain the same, and the answer of product of the root is 2. That will be written in the bracket. 2 into 2 will become 4. Taking this 2k to the other side of the equation, it will get multiplied. So it will become 3 is equals to 8k. We have to find the value of k, so we need to take 8 to the other side of the equation, so k will be equals to 3 by 8. That is the answer. Now again telling you how to find the equation, we have to simply change the English to the mathematical form. Here it was written that sum of the root of the equation. So we have supposed that sum of the root is S, is twice, is always denotes is equals to. Whenever is or are is written, we have to write is equals to instead of it. Twice always means 2 times, and times means multiplication. So 2 multiply by, from which it is multiplying with product of the root, and I have denoted product of the root as P. Coming to the next, again we are going to find the value of k, and the second part states sum of the roots of the equation As told you previously, sum of the root means s, and the equation is x square plus 3k minus 7 into x plus 5k is equals to 0. Is always denotes is equals to, 3 by 2 will be written as it is, times means multiplication, and product of the root will be denoted by p. So first of all, as I told you before, the first step is always to find the sum and product of the root taking the given equation. So here a will be 1, b will be 3k minus 7, and c will be 5k. Taking the values of a, b, and c, we will suppose that alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation. First of all, finding the sum of the root, that will be alpha plus beta. The equation or the formula is minus b over a. Putting the value of b, it is 3k minus 7, so that will be written inside the bracket, and a is 1, so that is written in denominator. Now here we will solve the bracket because we need that value to be put in the next equation as well. So after solving, 3k will become minus 3k and minus 7 will become plus 7, as there was minus sign outside the bracket. 1 in the denominator does not matter, we don't write it. Coming to the product of the root, that is alpha beta, the value or the formula is c over a. C is 5k, a is 1, so 5k over 1, the answer will be 5k. Now, according to the given condition, what was the given condition? Now I will leave that part of the equation because we have solved it. So x square plus 3k minus 7x plus 5k equals to 0. I won't read it now. Sum of the roots of the equation. What is sum of the roots? Here is sum of the roots, and that is denoted by s. So I will write s is will be is equals to 3 by 2 will remain the same, times means multiplication, product of the root is p. So the formula becomes s is equals to 3 by 2 p. Now we have to put the values of sum and the product in that formula. So that was the formula, s is equals to 3 by 2p. The value of sum is minus 3k plus 7 and the value of product is 5k. So now putting the values, we will get minus 3k plus 7 equals to 3 by 2 into 5k. First of all, I will multiply that 5k with 3. So the answer will be 15k by 2. The left hand side will remain the same. Now taking that 2 to the other side of the equation, as this 2 is dividing here, so it will multiply to the other side. So multiplying 2 with minus 3k plus 7 and the equal, only 15k remains. After multiplication, the answer will be minus 6k plus 14 equals to 15k. We have to take all the k's to one side of the equation and the constant term to the other side. So taking minus k to the other side of the equation, it will become plus k. So 15k plus 6k, the answer will be 21k equals to 14. Taking that 21 to the other side of the equation and dividing it because it was multiplying with k. So 14 by 21, the answer will be 2 by 3. We have cut both the digits with 7. So we are having the answer of k, which is 2 by 3. That was the required solution.